has finally come. I was up here doing the line, my hair. You select off it just as I got the camera out. Good. But I ended up here doing laundry, and it's pretty bad when you walk into your laundry in the rain. This is one of the many things, you know, when I get a house or you know, even a trailer, you know, a better trailer, where I can have my own washer and dryer. Just think how lucky y'all have it. Y'all, you know, just, y'all have a good, y'all live in a luxury. Because I got one all the way up here, these rundown, you know, quarter picking machines. $1, which, you know, like, that ain't much, but that is a lot much when you live on a fixed budget and you have a lot of clothes. My mother goes through a lot of clothes. That's all this weather is messing with my allergies. Until we meet again, my friend. Until we meet again.